ladies and gentlemen, PPIS Private Limited founded in 6th April 2022, backed by most experienced powered industry veteran. As we come together to celebrate the annual day of PPIS, so as we embark on this journey of celebration and discovery, so how is the Josh? Welcome once again and let us start with lighting the lamp.
Hi, welcome all to Chikmagalur. Hope you enjoyed the trip as of now. And we shall commence with the video of PPI's for second annual meet. This is called MIS, Management Information System, where we showcase about the order booking, sales and collections for this financial year, which is 24. And coming to sales, we have considered 76 lakhs and we have achieved 56, and which is a great achievement for us in achieving for the Q1. So order booking is 340.69 CR, which is 90%. That's a great achievement, I think. Hope you all enjoyed the sales part and learned few of the new products, or let it be clients, let it be bookings, sales or collections. Where we are heading, I feel is the graph is going up. I hope everyone has a nice motivation and work hard for the PPS success.
Thank you so much.
So every day we have to change ourselves to go for the growth of the company. Not only for a company, it is useful for the individual growth also. Okay.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am here presenting about KPI. KPI means Key Performance Indication. So Key Performance Indication means each and every person's how to work on these goals.
So these are all industrial standard. We are not setting it. So these are all industrial standard we have to follow.
You should follow this type of goals to achieve more and more in future and to reach our vision and mission. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಲೇಬರ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೇಬರ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ESI ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಕೈಯಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡಾಕಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವಾ, ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರೋ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್, ನಾನು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ PPS ಟಾಪ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ PPS. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ.
Hello PPIS, how are you all doing in Chikmagalur?
Fine, good, enjoying lot. Creating contents is not much easy, so it's really helpful.
Thank you so much. Okay, so coming back to Instagram, which I'm sure this generation follows a lot, right? So there we have 2,000 followers. So this in a week rather, when he is checking, he will do it. We sir always great to see great sir. Always we will get the like. Okay, share and subscribe. Rather follow to our channel, and that would be our pleasure. Thank you so much. Now I would request to come on the dais our MD, sir.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. What a energy! Wow! So I welcome everyone for the second annual award of PPS. I'm really happy and very energetic after seeing you people to be here. I'm really, it is very, very great. I should acknowledge you people are the bread and butter for PPS. Understood? Bread and butter. Roti kapda makan bolte na. So you people are the one who are serving everyone. Honestly. So thanks to your all effort. You must be seeing like कहाँ हमने काम किया. You not only here, correct? हमने ओडिशा में काम किया, नेपाल में काम किया, and AP में काम किया, तेलंगाना में किया. Almost all we have covered actually. Okay, कभी even गोवा में काम किया, बहुत जगह में काम किया. As I told you, I really heartily thank you everyone for this performance. It's your performance actually. It's not my performance. It's all your performance actually. Okay. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity to talk in front of you. You were jail here. Thank you.
ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದು ಕೊರಿದಾಡಿದೆ
So let us begin with this prestigious award ceremony. I would request Veer sir to take over.
First, I would like to call the best support award. Okay, this is the best support because day by day, okay, it's very very important. Okay, कोई मूवी देखो, हीरो हीरोइन से चलता नहीं कोई मूवी, करेक्ट? कोई जानी लीवर रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो हमारा साधु कोकिल रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो ब्रह्मावर रहना चाहिए, कोई तो रहना चाहिए कि ब्रह्मानंद. तो नहीं तो मूवी नहीं चलेगा. Actually, means it's a support. Like everyone will put a effort. Okay, so that company can grow. So first, I would like to call Mahesh. Our group mate कौन है मतलब who is the youngest? Nandish. Yes, Nandish. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಂತ. Next, definitely would like to call our anchor of the day, Shweta. So okay, we would like to call Ramesh. So Ramesh definitely a one-man army against this, one-man army, and he has done his best. Okay. I would like to call Srilekha. Then I think really hats up Mallikarjun. Actually, you are doing wonderful job. Thank you so much. Next award is Value Contribution Award. Okay, value means it is not money. Okay, value means it's not only money. So it can be anything. It can be customer service. It can be quality of the work. It can be anything actually. Value added to the company. Okay. So the next award is Value Contributor Award.
You call Devi. So we will take care of entire sales thing right from the beginning to close the transaction. Next ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರವಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ರವಿ ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟು ನಮಗೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಥರ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಅವರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಡಯಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ದರ್ಶನ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್. ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಶ್ವೇತಾ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂದೀಶ್.
So next is actually business excellence. Okay, success is one time or every time. What is excellence actually? What is excellence? Like we are giving excellence award. Something will be there behind excellence award. Correct? It's a quality of people who strategize, who prioritize their work, and which will help for the company. Okay. I would like to call Ravi again for the business excellence. You are really prepared your job. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. I would like to Devi. Okay, rightly said, Devi. Let's call Devi. Thank you, Devi, actually for your business excellence. Okay. We would like to call Ramesh. I think actually you have done a very good job. As a single man army, he is contributing to the company. It's really great. Great. Thank you. And customer is very happy. Please note this point. Customer is very happy and he has gone through so many hurdles. So we would like to call Shweta. So you will contribute for the company. Thank you so much. Thank you. Customer Service Award. Shweta, please welcome again. So who can call? Shilega, welcome Shilega. Thank you so much. So let us welcome Mallikarjun. Police, he is working with Chores also, one thieves. And he is working with BBMP and all the departments actually. The next category is Employee of the Year. Employee of the Year. Rightly guess. इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद महेश वेलकम. Employee of the Year. I must really tell you are the Employee of the Year because both हमारे साथ जेला है तो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ एक्चुअली मेरा मधु को बोला हूँ सबको बोला हूँ मेरा करियर में किसी को मैंने इतना मतलब खाली मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा बट मैंने इतना किसी को सताया नहीं जितना महेश को सताया तो फिर भी वो हमको छोड़ के नहीं गया and he has done his work. Okay, so that is a good quality Mahesh. Thank you so much. Hopefully आपको मालूम होगा एक्चुअली कुछ तो बोल रहे बट दिल में आपके लिए कुछ तो है करके.
महेश को कंग्रेचुलेशंस बोलने का सर नेक्स्ट महीने शादी है.
Next is actually Leadership Award. Ravi, welcome. You are the definitely leader I can say because I am not seeing you right from today. I am seeing you for many years. I am telling you Best Performer Team Award. So let us welcome Devi and definitely Suresh ji because this you have to carry the award actually, not Suresh ji. But Suresh ji will be there with you to support you and definitely you have done a very good job. This is the second highest award for information. So Devi, so you got a first prize for the year. That is a project team. Thank you so much.
ಅಂತ ಕಾಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುಡುಗರನ್ನ ಇರಿಸೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಜನಗಳು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮು ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಂದನೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್.
So I would like to call everyone here actually to take a photo because the team award and so these two awards is left out honestly. One is actually customer support and best support and customer service award actually. Manju is not there. I request Ravi to come here and take his award, Ravi. So this is a special recognition so that उनके दिल में BTS बसे रहे हमेशा. So I would like to call Madhu. Come Madhu, thank you so much. Okay, so I would like to call Suresh ji. But anyway, definitely will not leave your side. Because without you, many things. Okay, I cannot express. Many things will not move. Definitely, we would appreciate his interest because every day I call, almost every day I call. Sometimes I will call him after 5 minutes, whatever actually, but he ensure he will call. So that is not because of business. Maybe he is having respect on me. Maybe I can say, and equally I am having respect on him. So really, thank you, Sai. Actually, this I wanted to tell on the stage because if I tell also, you say. But anyway, see, Darshanji, thank you so much. You are here with us. It's a proud moment. It's an honor moment. I can say I definitely. Welcome, Subhashri Madam. And really, we really appreciate, like Laura told you.
Thank you so much, each and everyone, for making this event grand success. Thank you so much.
Devi Prasad from PPS Private Limited. I'm heading sales and marketing, and it's been almost 2 years for working with PPIS. It is great working here, as each and every day is a new learning for us.
मेरा नाम महेश है, मैं आदिलाबाद से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं इधर एक PPS में जॉइन होकर 1 साल हो गया है। लास्ट टाइम फंक्शन किया था, एनुअल पार्टी जून में हुआ था। अच्छा लग रहा है कि 1 साल हो गया मेरे को इधर कंपनी में आके, काम अच्छा हो रहा है।
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಮೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗ್ತಿದೆ. 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಂದ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಲಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಡೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ సాకస్తు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆಗಿದೆ.
నమస్తే అండి, నేను ఇంతకుముందు ఓజన్ అర్మనా అనే ఒక కంపెనీలో పనిచేసేవాడిని. ఒక 8 years పనిచేశాను. అక్కడి నుంచి పీకేఎస్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ అనే కంపెనీకి వచ్చి చేరుకున్నాను. ఈ కంపెనీలో డిప్యూటీ మేనేజర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్గా తెలంగాణ ఫుల్ స్టేట్ నేను చూసుకుంటున్నాను. మంచి హ్యాపీగా ఉంది, మంచి కంపెనీ, మాకన్నీ స్పెషాలిటీ బాగుంది. కొంచెం పని అంటే టఫ్, మేమంతా కొంచెం దీంట్లో అడవి ప్రదేశంలో పనిచేస్తున్నాము. కొంచెం టఫ్గా ఉంది పని, కానీ కంపెనీ మాత్రం మంచి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. మంచి కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యాము, మంచి హ్యాపీగా ఉంది, హ్యాపీగా పనిచేస్తున్నాము.
Hi everyone. We tried connecting the first customer circle actually after establishment of PPS. We were interacted with even actually dealer and distributor. I'm really hats up and thanks to those people who supported when we opened the company. And it's amazing journey. I can say it's a second year. I'm really thrilled to see it's like we have completed second year. Company founded in 2022 April. You can say successful to year because it's very important because we have a young and energetic team.